If OneNote is showing error 153, the good news is that this is usually fixable with a couple of simple settings and a quick cache reset. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get OneNote working again, especially if the issue is caused by privacy settings blocking content or by a corrupted cache. We're going to do this safely, step by step, so you can follow along even if you're not very technical. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, open OneNote and click the File tab at the top left, then choose Account. On the Account page, look for the Account Privacy section and click Manage Settings. This is where OneNote controls whether Office is allowed to connect to online content, and if this setting is turned off, it can cause connection issues and sometimes trigger error 153. Scroll down until you find the Connected Experiences section. Here, make sure the box for Let Office download online content is checked. This setting is important because OneNote may need access to online resources to load certain pages, media, or embedded content properly. After enabling it, click OK to save the change. Now close OneNote completely, then reopen it and reload the page that was giving you the error. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If error 153 is still showing, the next step is to clear the local OneNote cache. Close OneNote again so nothing is running in the background. Then press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the box, type /localApp data %Microsoft OneNote and press Enter. This will open OneNote's local data folder on your computer. Inside that folder, look for the 16.0 folder or whatever version folder matches your active OneNote installation. Open that folder and find the WebView 2 folder or the cache folder. Depending on your version of OneNote, one or both of these may be present. Delete the inner WebView 2 folder or the cache folder to remove the damaged temporary files that may be causing the crash. Don't worry, this does not delete your notebooks from OneNote online. It only removes local cache data so the app can rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After deleting the folder, restart OneNote and give it a moment to recreate the cache. Then try opening the same page again and see if the error is gone. If everything was corrupted locally, this fresh restart often resolves the issue immediately. To recap, you first fixed the Office privacy setting by allowing online content, and then you cleared the OneNote cache by deleting the WebView 2 or cache folder. Those two steps solve a lot of OneNote error 153 issues without needing more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more OneNote repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.